So it's Tuesday, April 2nd, 2019, and I got off work at 4:30 p.m. and you know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go mushroom hunting. So I'm out, headed down south, about an hour south of the St. Louis area to Meramec State Park. I'm gonna do some morel hunting. Now I haven't been down to this park, over 2 decades, that's for sure. I'm 30, so it was definitely before I was 10, and we used to go down here as a family. And it's got beautiful, crystal clear water, good fishing. I think they fish trout there. I remember seeing people fly fishing there all the time. So if you're ever in Missouri, which if you ain't been to Missouri and you're a nature lover, you gotta get here. We've got a lot of cool stuff here. We have some great rivers and great fishing, great hunting, great mushroom hunting. Yeah, you already know that. I'm on that one. And so I'm headed down south. It's gonna be about an hour drive. And I don't care. I'll get like 2.5, 3 hours of mushroom hunting time, and that is plenty. That is plenty. I mean, I could use triple, quadruple that amount of time, but that's all I get for the night. So I'm headed down there. I'm gonna hit the creeks. I'm gonna hit the hills. I'm gonna hit the riverbed, and I'm gonna check it all because I'm gonna find one. Because I'm trying to be on the map. I'm trying to get on that progression map as the first confirmed find in the area. And, you know, I'm trying to get on the map in multiple places throughout Missouri and Iowa and maybe even Wisconsin, we'll see, and just trying to do it all. So I'm trying to get on the map in multiple places. I'm trying to be the best. I'm trying to be the best mushroom hunter out there. Use those eyes, those eagle eyes. And so down we go. It's a little bit of a drive and I'm not too far from it. As a matter of fact, I see the sign right now. The sun's right there, but Meramec State Park. Let's get it. So I've been out here for a couple minutes now, and I'm not finding any morels, but I'm just getting up a hill. So I'm just slowly trekking up this hill, looking around, looking for some elm trees, and I've seen a few elm trees and a oak tree, mostly oak trees, and that's what I'm looking for right now. Is some elm trees, not oak trees. And that's not to say there's no wildlife out here. I heard some deer calling just as soon as I got in the woods, and then I seen 3 deer. They kind of stuck around for a minute. We're running around in the area just a little bit, and as soon as they left, I heard turkey. So if you're not from Missouri and you want to come out and have a good time out in nature, Missouri's it, man. We got a lot of cool stuff here. Let's see if I move, but there's a chipmunk up there. Sorry. Get the trail. I'm going up the hill. I'm not sure what they are. Could be fresh devil's urns, but it could be something else. I don't know. That's a cool one. So this chipmunk right over here. He dove down into the ground. Let's see if he pops up. Look at this giant sinkhole. This is Meramec Springs and caverns. They got caves here and boat tours in the caves. It's a pretty cool place, but I'm sure if you're walking off path, be careful, 'cause that's a sinkhole. You can kind of tell how deep it is. It's about 6 foot deep. Well, it's getting dark. Not finding anything, still real early in the season, so I'm not discouraged, I'm just more motivated. But sun's already gone down 20 minutes ago, and I didn't get too far into the woods. I was walking slow, just looking at everything, trying to get a feel. So didn't find anything, but I'm headed back out of the woods, and I guess you'll see me again after the weekend. All right. Everybody have a good weekend, good mushroom season. crystal clear water. That's why it's called Meramec Springs. You know those frogs? I think those are spring peepers. Little tiny frogs with a funny name. Spring peepers. Pretty cool little frogs. They were my favorite frogs when I was a little kid.